even small fish will go for a pretty big lure. Oh, I got one, guys. I got one, guys. That's a nice one. It's a better one, guys. Nothing huge, but still a good fish. Man, I barely had him. Nope. There we go. Not bad. Guys.
No internet connection? No problem.
It was so weird. I casted, and look what I found. Guys, I found the other part of the rod. I'm gonna try to get it. Oh. Somebody did not have a fun day. Keep that part too. Now I could turn into like a half a rod challenge thing. Cool. Alright guys, there's a bunch of those little things. I think they're tadpole actually. But they look like little catfish. I think they are little catfish. That's pretty cool. That's a dink.
You like to fish from right on these spillway things?
Yeah. Yeah, they are.
How long were you here yesterday?
Like 5 hours. I got here at 1 and I was here at 1 and I left at like, I don't know, like 6 or 7. I was here longer than 5 hours, I guess.
Nobody said anything to you?
Nope. No, I don't really think they care. There was even a cop that went right through here and he didn't care. Yeah, I know. I got a couple over there yesterday, but those bubbles out there, like, you have to cast like right on top of it to get it. Because it kind of like brings up cold air, and because it's so hot out, they kind of want that cold air. But then all those wires and stuff, I've lost so many lures in that.
Where at?
Like all these wires and stuff, especially out there. There's a ton of them.
Lose them a lot?
Yeah.
You lost a lot of those?
Yeah. I lost 4 yesterday and like 5 the day before.
How much do they cost?
$6? 6 or 7. I went out today and spent $80 buying new ones. No, I just went to Sportsman's. I didn't get a lot, but
That's the stuff you're using?
yeah, yep.
Really?
Yeah, just that silver or white and black. That's basically, I'm just using just a different type. But then I put scent on mine.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I got like this little kind of, it's like a fish stick. I think that helps a little bit. Yeah. Oh yeah, I just got another one. On that lipless again. Alright guys, oh, this thing's a toad. Oh, this thing's ginormous. Oh, stay down. Stay down. Oh, this is a nice one. Oh, get out of there. 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 No, he's right in the moss. Oh, I got him. I got him, guys. Oh, this is the best fish I've got the last 3 days. Oh, this thing's a donkey. Oh, guys, this thing's massive. Oh, no. Oh, guys, that's a toad. Oh. Okay, guys. This thing is a monster. Just trying to get all the weeds out. Oh, he completely devoured that lipless. Holy smokes. Oh, look at that. There we go. Here we go, guys. Oh, it's a donkey. Oh, he's bleeding. Bye, guys. What? Oh. You got away. Got one, guys. Oh, that was a decent one too. Gosh. I never put my pole up, and this time I wanted to just to get him over the weeds. And of course he had to jump. Gosh darn it. Alright, see if I can get him again. I'm just fishing right at the bubbles again. Right at that aerator. Jumping for some reason. I got out here pretty early today because I had to go to a tackle. I had to go to Sportsman's Warehouse to get some more lipless crankbaits, and I wanted to get another battery for my GoPro and SD card. So I do that, and so then I just wanted to come to the pond early, which paid off twice. I would have got 2, so it would have paid off, but for now. I have to get the pliers. There he is. So I caught him off my new lipless crankbait I picked up. It's like a silver and black back. And what I did is I added the KVD fish stick in shad. I put that on there. I thought I've always had pretty good luck with it, and it looked like it paid off. But so I'll get back to you guys with some more fish. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a quit today. It's been a tough day. I only got about 12 fish. Nothing compared to yesterday and the day before. I still caught them on the lipless crankbait though. This one I just got, it's like a sexy shad, or it's like a chrome sexy shad. It's chrome with a black top. I use this again on my Ab Garcia Veritas 2.0 medium heavy 7 foot with my Shakespeare reel 6-4-1 with that 20-pound fluorocarbon, 20 to 25, I can't remember. I needed this for that thick because they're all in that moss or deep, and I didn't want that much stretch. So I'll see you guys next time on Bass Master 101. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and go follow my Instagram.